All right, so welcome to the Blackboard tutorial. This is for the elementary statistics course that begins on October 19th, which is in a few short days. So in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the different links I've created for you in Blackboard to help you get familiar with the site. So to begin, you'll notice that all these links are set up to the left when you do log in, and you will be directed, at least for the first week when you do log in, you'll start at the home page. So I will start right there. So in the home page, you're going to find I have a couple videos. One video will be an introduction from me to say hello. And then, of course, the next video is the one you're currently watching, which is the Blackboard tutorial and Connect registration. I've also got a welcome, and again, to remind you that the course does begin on Monday, October 19th, and also make sure that you do get registered with Connect on or before that Monday. So Connect is the homework management system that you'll be using to submit all of your assignments. So you do need to make sure that you get registered with that as well. The rest of it, I got the purpose, overview of the course, some etiquette policy, technology requirements, technical skills, and I also went ahead and put the textbook, the Connect Access information in here as well. This will be what you need to purchase. This is when I say get registered with Connect. This is what I'm referring to. So again, the Connect Access, it's essentially a code that it also contains the e-text, but it also allows you to get into the system, the website, to submit the assignments. All right, so that's again under the home page. Under the announcements, the first announcement I've sent is just letting you know that the Blackboard site is available, and make sure that you review all these different links. Make sure you get registered with the Connect by Monday, October 19th. And also to let you know that I do use this to make regular announcements. So do check your student emails regularly. I will always use these announcement links that I send to your emails to make sure you know what you need to be doing each week. So again, that's under the announcements in Blackboard. Under my instructor, I just have a little bit about my background. I've got my contact information again in here. Since I'm not on campus, email is the best way to get a hold of me, djariga@stlcc.edu. I tend to respond to all emails within 24 hours, no later than 48, but unless something happens, but usually within the same day, if not early the next day, I will respond to all emails. Okay, so that's again under my instructor. Now, the next thing again is the syllabus and schedule, and you'll notice before I open those up, again, here's that Connect information as well. Again, LEND, ISBN, the price is the 18th edition. Make sure you get this on or before Monday, October 19th. And so just mentioning that before I open up the syllabus, there is a free 14-day trial period, so that if there is a payment issue and you do need to wait on getting it, you can still get into the course and do all the necessary work for the first 14 days. I would suggest, if that's the route you're going to go, wait until Monday, October 19th to register. That way you'll get the first 14 days. You will not make sure that you do not get behind, because you know this is an accelerated course with it being 8 weeks, so you don't want to get behind on anything. All right, so let me go ahead and open up that syllabus. And a couple things I want to walk you through on the syllabus. And first up is, do make sure that you are in the correct course. This is BUS 201, section 230, elementary statistics, CRN 32787. This is an online class. There are no campus meetings. There's my contact information, course description, some other stuff you can read through. And I'll get down and go, here's the textbook information as well, the Connect Access. I got that in the syllabus as well. And then here's a little bit about the grading. I want to talk about that. So in terms of point breakdown, you've got 3 exams, 60% of your overall grade, that's 300 points. There'll be 10 quizzes that count towards your grade. I believe there's 12 of them, but I dropped your 2 lowest, and I'll get to that in a moment. But your quizzes will add up to about 20%, and as well as your homework assignments. So notice that your homework and quiz assignments are weighted the same. Everything is out of an even 500 points. I try to keep that simple. Everything is submitted through Connect, all your assignments. So that's why I keep emphasizing you have to get Connect. Again, all exams are online, and I'll get to the dates in a minute. That's listed in the class schedule. Quizzes, again, I have 12 quizzes, but since I dropped your 2 lowest quizzes, only 10 of your quizzes will count. Your 10 best quizzes, plus on each quiz you get 2 attempts. So hopefully that'll help you out with your quiz grade. Homework assignments, you get 12 of them, but because I dropped your 2 lowest, only 10 count. There's where I get the 20% of your overall grade. On your homework assignments, you get unlimited attempts on each of them. Just make sure that you submit the final attempt by the due date. And then again, on attendance, just make sure you are submitting the weekly assignments in Connect. That's how I do track your attendance. And you want to make sure that you don't get purged out of the course for non-attending. One more important date is the withdrawal date, which for this course is November 25th. So that's something you might want to know. All right. I think that's it. And then let me show you the schedule. You'll notice it's a pretty quick pace with being 8 weeks. So the first week of the course, October 19th to the 25th, it's chapters 1 and 2. And then the next week, it's going to be chapters 3 and 4. And then after that, it's chapter 5. And some of the earlier stuff, I think you won't have any problems with. Some of it's very basic review, but some of it, again, I'll show you my learning modules in a moment to assist you with that. But notice that once we get through chapter 5, which is through November 8th, then you have exam 1. So the week of November 9th through the 15th is exam 1 online, but also during that same week, because of our time, we will also be starting a new chapter. So I usually allow you to pick whatever day you want to take that exam on because it is online, but just don't lose sight of the fact that you've got to get exam 1, which is due on the 15th, as well as the chapter 6 stuff. So that's how I planned it. All right, so then you keep going, and then you'll notice that I've actually made chapter 7 available during the 9th, but I don't expect a lot of people will get to that. But notice the due date with chapter 7 isn't until November 22nd. That's the same as chapter 8. So it's kind of like chapter 7 and 8 are also going to be due by the 22nd. So note the dates. And then after that, we get into chapter 9, which is November 23rd to the 29th. And then after that, you have your second exam, 6, 7, 8, 9, again, online exam. But notice during the week of the 30th, we also start chapter 10. So again, but you can pick the date, whatever date you want to take that exam. I would suggest you take it probably by Tuesday or Wednesday of this week. And that way you can use the rest of the week to focus on the new chapter. And then of course, you'll have chapter 11. And chapter 11 and chapter 13 is the week of December 7th. And then at that point, we're done except for the last exam, which is the final exam. It's just going to cover chapters 10, 11, and 13, due date by the 20th. So please review this schedule closely. And then if you have any questions or concerns, just, please let me know. All right, so let me go ahead and get back to the Blackboard page. And so again, let's go to Connect registration link. Again, this is all the information on how to register with Connect. Couple things, you can either open up this PDF, read the instructions, click this link, it'll take you to the same hyperlink to get registered. And don't forget about that 14-day free trial period if you're going to use that. Okay. I also have a Connect website. If you want to access Connect directly, just click the website link. Course readiness agreement. This is once you click this and agree that you're going to get all the course materials and that you review the syllabus, you click this and click agree, you get 5 bonus points. So I would take advantage of this course readiness agreement. Every point counts. Okay, couple more things. Learning modules. This is where all of my videos and textbook illustrations and homework videos are contained. So just pick a chapter, chapter 3, for example. Overview, agenda, learning objectives. You'll notice all my lecture videos, any sort of textbook illustration videos, homework, everything is contained within every one of these modules. They're all set up the same way. So, there's chapter 1. Chapter 1's the light chapter. There's not as many videos, but all the videos are linked through YouTube, so they should be easy for you guys to open. But just make sure you go here. There's a chapter module for every chapter we cover. I always refer you to these when you have any initial questions to watch my videos. This is how I essentially teach the course. And then, of course, you go into Connect to submit all your assignments. All right, so again, this is under Learning Modules link. All right, now one more big thing I've got in here, a couple more. Connect assignments. So what I did under this link is I have paired up the Connect gradebook with the Blackboard gradebook. So if you want to make sure that your points, the gradebook in Blackboard is updated automatically when you submit your Connect assignments, what you need to do is you need to access Connect assignments through this link in Blackboard. So again, there's multiple ways that you can get into Connect. You could go do Connect directly if you wanted, but if you want to make sure that you want your gradebook to be updated simultaneously when you submit your assignments, go through this link here in Blackboard. You'll find all the assignments are listed in here. You just click a link and it'll direct you right into the McGraw-Hill website. All right. Now, these things called Chapter 1 videos, SmartBrick videos, those are all optional, but I went ahead and included those in this assignment link just so you have access to these for extra learning resources if you need that. Again, so again, this is all, and notice again, all the assignments, of course, you know, even the exams, there's exam 1, which is already posted in here. Notice you got the due date. So again, all your assignments, I would suggest you go through this Connect assignment link in Blackboard to then that'll route you right into the Connect website. All right, a couple more things. PowerPoint presentations, if you want those to take notes when you watch the lecture videos, I've got those on here. I've got textbook solutions. These are for extra exercises in the e-text if you want to practice those. And of course, I've got a section on here that you can then check your grade. Okay. All right, and I think that's it. So before I wrap it up, let me go back to my instructor link. And so after review all this, if you have any questions, you know, please do email me at djariga@stlcc.edu. The course does begin on Monday, October 19th, which is just in a few short days. And I'll probably have a couple more announcements posted between now and Monday, October 19th. And again, just emphasize, please check your student emails regularly, because when I do send out announcements, it default is it sends to your student emails. Okay, that'll wrap up this part of the Blackboard tutorial.